All right, Buttercups, it is week 3. We are covering ecological succession. We're going to do EduSmart lessons. I read your feedback. A lot of you said you like what we're doing. I know some of you are frustrated that I'm making you answer questions before I give you the link, but you need to know the information. Just because you don't have a STAR test this year does not mean you won't have one next year. You need to be prepared. So, in order to make sure you're prepared, I'm asking you those questions to make sure you understand the information before we move on. I am looking at doing some videos as far as teaching you. However, I really do like the EduSmart this week. I'm not just blindly assigning you something. I really have gone in and done it all myself as well. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to complete your EduSmart lessons, okay? You're going to complete the student review, the quiz. It's not really a quiz, it's just questions to make sure you understood what was going on. And then the interactivity. It's going to have you move things around in the right order that primary and secondary ecological succession occur. Once you have done that, you're going to come back to your document, the document that has your name on it. Don't make a copy, don't make a PDF, write in the actual document your questions. So it asks you true or false, ecological succession can occur really quickly. So all you need to write in that box is the word true or false. Number 2 says what helps an ecosystem's sustainability. Sustainability actually just means how do we keep the ecosystem balanced and running smoothly. Things like that. So you need to look to see what that answer is. And then finally, it asks what helps break down bare rock into soil for plants to grow. So there is actually something that adheres to rocks after a volcano eruption, during a sand dune formation that creates islands, or even after a glacier retreating. There are things that actually attach themselves to rocks. What are those things? So those are the 3 answers I'm looking for. Once you have typed your 3 answers in, you're going to click the Turn In button. This is where I'm going to go and look, and I'm going to check to make sure, did you do your EduSmart and do you have the right answers? If you do not, I'm going to send it back to you, and I'm going to offer you a comment. Now, if it's about your answers, I will put whatever I can on there to help you answer them correctly. If it is about you not doing EduSmart, I need you to communicate with me. Can you open EduSmart? Is it something that you're just choosing not to do? Or is it something that you really don't understand, don't know how to access? You need to communicate with me so that I can help you. Your school email, you need to be checking that at least once or twice a day. That is where all your classroom notifications go to. And if you're not receiving them, you need to go into your Google Classroom settings and actually select to receive the notifications. Once you have gotten your 3 questions correct, I will put your Google form link in those private comments on your assignment. Now, be aware, my Google form link is not the same as Mrs. Neville's Google form link. It is not the same as Mrs. King's Google form link. So sharing links amongst your friends in other classes will not get you your grade. All right? So make sure that you have your Google form link, and then you're going to complete the Google form. It's the purple one with the multiple choice questions. So unless you've done the purple one with multiple choice questions, you are not done. You have to do that. That is the grade for the week. Now, I know that you don't like doing that. I know maybe you don't like answering the questions and waiting for me to check them. However, grades significantly rose after I had you answering those 3 questions. There were way more 100s and 80s this week than there was in the first week. So the numbers aren't lying. Is if you do fail the Google form link and you miss more than one question, you can come in here and look at the supplementals, and you can do one of the supplementals instead, and then I will reset your form so you can try it again. But let's try and get it done the first time. All right, guys? I hope you're doing well. I hope you're healthy. I hope you're safe. And I really hope we don't have to keep doing these online lessons much longer. But I really do miss you guys.